Tell us about Programmatic TV, the initiative that you guys announced recently, kind of where that stands and what you see as the roadmap.
Yeah, great. It's an exciting part of our business, certainly, and the industry as well. We're seeing interest from really a huge continuum of buyers, large and small. And initially, at this stage, it's really used as a tool to fill in reach around the core TV schedule across a broader swath of networks. We're also seeing in contrast to traditional television, we're seeing buyers that are starting to look at, we call it a strategic target, or and pricing on a strategic CPM, which incorporates targeting components beyond age and gender. So starting to take on some of the attributes of digital targeting, which is pretty exciting. I think in the very near term, you'll start to see a lot more automation happening in the workflow, which is something you read about quite a bit in the trade presses. I think we're finally there. We're getting beyond the fax machines, and we'll have real, true end-to-end automation, which is where these buys start to get a lot more scalable, and the magic of programmatic really starts to come to life. Those are some of the things that we're seeing so far. We're fortunate enough to be with one of our partners, Wide Orbit, involved in the industry's first programmatic TV ads served in the Super Bowl. We did that with Mondelez and Oreo. That was in limited geographies. It was very much a concept test, but the feedback was great, and it was, I think, an indicator of other event type of PTV
So
activities.
not getting too deep in the weeds, could you just explain what that was, and what programmatic around with Mondelez meant?
Sure. So what it meant was we were able to, through software, purchase an ad spot, and these are local spots. The Oreo ad in particular was served at halftime during the local breaks.